everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome in case you're new here. My name is Ridhi Dua and we are about to hit 1000 subscribers soon, hopefully. So subscribe if you haven't already to be a part of my first 1000 subscribers of my YouTube family. And also, if you guys don't remember, there is a giveaway at 1000 subscribers, which is quite a bit of color pop stuff. So if you are interested in some of color pop cosmetics, subscribe if you haven't already. And as you can already see, this is the look we are going to create today. Very glam and special. So for today, I really wanted to do a glam makeup look because I have not done a makeup tutorial, like a real makeup tutorial, since really long. I've been doing quite a bit of challenges and fun sort of makeup videos, which you guys do seem to enjoy, but I just wanted to go back a little and do a really nice glam makeup tutorial, right? Because I'm here to teach you guys about makeup, so that's what we are doing today. So I recently got the Believe Aqua Balm, the moisturizing balm. I've been eyeing this for really long, but you know what, it's really expensive. I finally hit the gun because I also got like travel samples with it, and they're like decent sized travel samples. So I was like, okay, I can try a few more things with it. I actually thought that it will be very water-like, but it's not. It's actually like a thick gel sort of a consistency. And you really need to rub this in your skin because right now I feel that it's literally sitting on top of my skin. Wait a sec, it's like bumping up, like what's the word? I'm not liking this. And it's also itching. Why is it itching? For that amount of money, I don't expect this. Oh my god, that's not cool. I will remove this sort of with water and we'll be right back. So we are off to a very bad start with that moisturizer. So I'm gonna use my trusty Smashbox Primerizer. I know that this works for me. I know that this hydrates my skin beautifully. I might also mix in this Kevin Aucoin Glass Glow Face in shade Prism Rose, just a pump of it to add a little bit of glow to my skin. And a mixture of two creates a stunning combination. Look at my skin now, how like glowy it is. I'm gonna use my sponge just to like soak in the excess because I used a lot. I did see sort of a makeup look on Instagram. I didn't save it, but I just remembered it on top of my head. So sorry, I can't credit the one who created that look. I'm gonna go into the Huda Beauty Emerald Obsessions palette and this green shade right over here. I'm using the Dose of Colors brush that comes in the palette itself because I love it. It's like so tiny but yet so fluffy. It's perfect for these kind of looks. So the green shade will go on our crease just to the inner third of our eye. You know what, there's something wrong with this side of my eye. As you can see, it's not building up. It's like the same shade, but it's just my eyes, you know. Now I'm gonna grab another brush. This is the same brush, but not the same brush. The same brush from another, but the clean one, you know. And now I'm gonna go into the Jaclyn Hill palette, the original volume 1, and I'm gonna grab this brown shade right over here, and the brown will go onto our outer corner. I'm also going to like extend the brown out. As you can see right over here, it's like extended outwards. So you gotta like extend it outwards, something like this. Now I'm gonna go back and forth with like green right on the center and then brown just to merge the two together. Now I'm gonna go in with a flat brush and a little bit of concealer to clean our crease here and follow that line. And again from the outer corner, try and wing it, something like that. Okay, so as you can see, I had a few change in plans and this is what we are going for now. So we no more need that crease. Okay, so what I'm gonna do first is to bring the brown in. So I'm gonna use the same brush, the same round, and I'm gonna start bringing that brown in to our lids. I'm gonna try and blend that out. So I'm gonna use 𝕗𝕚𝕚𝕚 and go in with the green shade that we used on our crease as our liner. Okay, now I want some sort of glitter on top of my eyeliner. So I'm gonna use this. This is the Lottie London Eye Foil in shade Denied. It is sort of like a minty green shade, so it will go very well on top of it. So I'm just going to tap it. I'm not gonna swipe it because it can start lifting the shadow underneath. So I'm just gonna tap it on top. And something like that. As you can see, it looks so pretty. Also, as I like tilt my head, the sparkle really catches the attention. In the comments down below, please let me know if you guys like to see such kind of makeup looks, like dramatic, a little intricate sort of makeup looks, because it's beautiful, right? But is it like variable for you guys? Will you guys try and do this when you're going out? That's the question, you know? Okay, so for foundation, I'm gonna mix the MAC Studio Sculpt and the Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk. This is a little bit darker and this is a little bit lighter, hopefully making a beautiful cocktail color that would match me. That's like the most perfect match, really. The combination of foundations is so beautiful. I'm gonna color correct a little bit. So I'm gonna use the LA Gold Proven Scene in the shade Peach. I have quite a bit of darkness around my upper lip, so gotta conceal that nicely. And now I'm gonna use the Dot Shape Tape. I am actually going to try this right over here. This is the Maybelline Cheek Heat in shade 15 Nude Bone. I got it from beautyway.com. It is still not available in India. I don't know why. I'm gonna dab this on my cheek. Then I'm gonna use my beauty blender to blend this in. Well, it's completely lost. See how pigmented it looks? But as you like start blending it, it sort of shears out very quickly. Should not use a beauty blender with it for sure, because beauty blender is soaking up a lot. Instead, I'm gonna use a brush now. Now I can see it at least, and it is also giving me a nice amount of glow. As you can see, it looks really healthy, but I sort of need to like build it very much in order to have pigment out of it. Get the glow that it's giving me. Now I'm going to use the e.l.f. Halo setting powder. I don't like to use a lot of I don't like to use a lot of powder. So just a little bit right underneath my eyes, on my nose to blur the imperfections, and around my lip. So to bronze, I'm gonna use the Pula. Sort of like bronze and contour at like same time, contouring my double chin. I'm doing such like heavy glam after like so long that I am sort of like hating and loving the process at the same time. I know I'm weird, but it's just taking me so long since I'm doing it after so long. I'm sort of like out of practice to do such like dramatic makeup looks. Okay, since I'm here, I'm gonna use the cookie highlighter. I know I repeat myself with this highlighter, but it's my favorite highlighter. I can't help it. I don't know where my highlighter brush is though. Funny. And bing, baba boom, baba bing, baba boom, baba bing. And we are highlighted on the Cupid's bow, the bridge of my nose, and tip of my nose. Too much of a bling. So now the inner portion will be brown, basically opposite to the top, and the outer portion will be green. I'm gonna use the Lancome Monsieur Big mascara. Do I want to use lashes? You know, I'm not a lash girl. Okay, so I did put on lashes because I think that the look was so dramatic that it was calling for lashes. Now I'm gonna use my trusty, my favorite MAC Extended Play Lashes for my under eyes. As usual, for lips, I'm gonna use the MAC Lip Pencil in Spice. For my lip color, I'm going to use the e.l.f. Lipstick Duo in shade Need It Nude. I'm going to use the lighter nude shade in this. I love this formula. It's like so like glossy. I changed my lip color to the Wet n Wild Bare It All because I wanted a little like pinkier tone. Okay, so that's the finished look, you all. I hope that you guys enjoyed the video, learned something, and hopefully you guys would love to give this makeup look a try. And if you do recreate this look, please DM me your pictures. This is my Insta handle right over here. I would love to see your recreations. Like this video if you loved how the look turned out. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Hopefully 1,000 subscribers soon. I am so aiming for the 1,000 subscribers. Comment down below what you feel about this look, if you would love to wear this somewhere out. And that's it for the video today, guys. I will see you all next time. Till then, stay safe, stay happy. Bye.